Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet safely. Since USDT works on different blockchains, I will explain clearly how to pick the right option so you don't lose your funds. So yes, let's get started. First, open your Trust Wallet app. Let me enter my PIN code. So here, tap Manage Crypto. In the search bar at the top, type USDT. You will see different versions of USDT like USDT Ethereum, USDT Solana, and sometimes others like BNB Smart Chain or Tron. If you are sending to Phantom's Ethereum wallet, enable USDT Ethereum. If you are sending to Phantom's Solana wallet, enable USDT SPL. Remember, the network in Trust Wallet must match the network in Phantom. So here we need to tap on the USDT you just enabled. Now tap on send. Now we need address or domain name. Open your Phantom wallet. And here tap on receive. If you want Solana USDT, go to network Solana and copy that address. If you want Ethereum USDT, just copy this address. Now go back to Trust Wallet. And here simply paste that address like this. And now enter the amount USDT you want to transfer. Double check that the network matches. ERC20 for Ethereum, SPL for Solana. Tap next and then confirm. You will need a little bit of native token to cover fees. ETH for Ethereum or SOL for Solana. Make sure you have some in your Trust Wallet before sending. Once confirmed, wait a few seconds to a few minutes, then open Phantom Wallet and your USDT should appear under the correct network tab. To be safe, always do a small test transfer first. Once you see it arrive in Phantom, you can send the full amount. And that's it. That's how you transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet the right way. Just remember, always match the network. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.